Services and repairs. So this is mainly for people who own their own XRFs and want to keep them maintained and functioning at the best possible point. So you can book in your batteries to be recalibrated, book in your XRF for a condition report, compliance certificate, radiation profiling, and stability and drift. So the most common one is condition report, because it literally reports on the condition of your instrument and how it is performing. So it's great to do once a year if you do own your own XRF. Similar to a car, it does need regular servicing. So you can add to the cart here. With services, once you have purchased them, one of our friendly staff members will be in contact to book it in or arrange a time for you to drop off your instrument. You can also add other things that you might have missed, such as screwdrivers, which are available in our accessories, and pop in any coupon codes.